In the world of apparel, speed is everything. If you jump onto the newest trend at the right moment, your sales will skyrocket. But if you're too slow, your customers will buy their trendy apparel elsewhere and you will lose out on money. It all comes down to how quickly you can drop new products. With print on demand, you can do it in a matter of minutes. Hey, I'm Elizabeth from Printful. In this video, we'll talk about speed to market, what it is, why it's important to you, and how print on demand can help you improve it. Let's start with the basics. What actually is time to market? Time to market is a term that refers to the time it takes for a business to make their product available to the customer, starting from the initial concept to design to development to the product launch. If your time to market is short, that means you can easily offer new merchandise without having to wait weeks for production to finish. But if your time to market is long, that means your business isn't very flexible and it's hard for you to introduce new designs or product categories to your store. When trends move at the speed of light, it's more important than ever to release your products quickly. Imagine a new meme takes social media by storm. With a short time to market, you could immediately monetize the hype and release products that incorporate the meme. For example, do you remember the Ever Given? The Ever Given was the ship that launched 1,000 memes after getting stuck in the Suez Canal in 2021. Social media users were gripped by the story, and funny t-shirts, birthday cards, and stickers related to the ship popped up on e-commerce sites immediately. Trends like this are a good way to earn additional revenue. You can gain new customers and generate extra sales by jumping on TikTok trends or capitalizing on pop culture or sports events. And there's a higher chance your product might go viral. But that's only possible if your speed to market can keep up. If it can't, your designs will come out too late when the hype is already over. When you start your apparel business, you can choose to either produce all items in bulk or outsource production and logistics to a company like Printful. There are pros and cons to both, but when it comes to time to market, print on demand has the upper hand. If you're producing in bulk in the current economic climate, a short time to market becomes an unrealistic goal. Constraints and disruptions in global supply chains are the new norm, so it can take weeks, even months before you can sell your products. But with print on demand, you're always one step ahead of the hype. With a company like Printful, you get to release new collections in minutes, not having to worry about issues caused by your global supply chain. Just create your design, add it to a product using our design maker, and there you have it. Your product is available for purchase, and Printful takes care of the rest. We have facilities all around the world to ensure that we produce your products as close to your customer as possible, thus avoiding long production times and shipping delays. So, a shorter time to market means your business is flexible and able to react to trends quickly. If you use trends wisely, you can reach a new audience and earn extra revenue from your designs. Whereas, if you choose to produce your merchandise in bulk, keep in mind that world events like Brexit, COVID-19, and soaring gas prices are all making mass manufacturing more expensive and complicated. There's a good chance your merchandise would be stuck in production, much like the Ever Given was stuck in the canal. So, if you're looking to shorten your time to market, print on demand is your best bet. If you want to learn more about how print on demand can help your business, check out the description. I've added some useful links below. You can also take a look at our Printful Academy course on starting your own print on demand business. It's a great guide for e-commerce beginners. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.